Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Good morning dear students. Today we are going to discuss about acids, bases and salts from chapter 2, class 10 CBSE syllabus. Children, now let us discuss what is pH scale. pH stands for potential of hydrogen and it is defined as logarithm of H plus ion concentration. The pH value of any substance or solution indicates whether it is acidic, neutral or alkaline. The term pH was first introduced by Soren Peter, biochemist in 1909. To determine the strength of acids and bases, we use a universal indicator that shows different colors at different concentrations of hydrogen ions in a solution. The value of pH is generally used to quantitatively determine the strength of acid and base. The equation used for the calculating pH is pH is equal to log H plus ions. Children, let us discuss in detail what is this pH value. To find the pH value of a component, we use a pH scale. The pH scale has values from 0 to 14, where 0 indicates very acidic and 14 indicates very alkaline. 7 is the center of the scale. If any solution has pH value of 7, it means that the solution is neutral in nature. The values less than 7 indicates that the solution is acidic and values more than 7 that the solution indicate alkaline. pH is used to measure the basicity and acidity of a solution. The amount of hydrogen ions concentrated in a solution determines the pH. Mathematically, it gives a formula of pH log plus H. Already we discussed that. The pH scale is used to measure the relative acidity and alkalinity of solutions. The neutral pH value depends on the temperature. It can be lower than 7 if the temperature increases above 25 degrees centigrade. Children, let us discuss the pH indicator. An indicator that determines whether a solution is acidic or basic is known as a pH indicator. Generally, the indicator causes the color of solution or a paper to change depending on the pH value. There are different types of indicators. Some are solid and some are liquid in nature, but most of the common indicators are found in the form of strips or a paper. Strips of paper, known as litmus paper. It changes its color to red when added to an acidic solution and gives a blue color when tested with a basic solution. Also, there are various other ways to make indicators at home. Indicators. Children, already we discussed about indicators that are chemical compounds which help to indicate the presence of acid or base in the chemical reaction. They process different colors in acidic solutions and different colors in basic solutions. Indicators are made naturally by plants and animals or artificially by humans. The image of litmus test of acids as shown as in beside picture. An indicator indicates the pH ranges from range of 0 to 7 indicates that acidic solution. The range of 7 to 14 indicates that basic solution, and 7 is a neutralized solutions. Children, types of indicator. There are various types of indicators used for various purposes, of which are, for example, natural indicators. Indicators derived from plants and animals or any living organisms are natural indicators. Examples: red cabbage, litmus paper and others. Synthetic indicators. Indicators made artificially in laboratories and factories are synthetic indicators. Examples are phenolphthalein, methyl orange and others. Olfactory indicators. Substances that have different smells in acidic or basic mediums are called olfactory indicators. Examples: onions, olives and others. Children, let us discuss the importance of pH in our everyday life. Let us discuss about digestive system. In human body, all the physiological reactions takes place at one pH of 7 to 7.8. Hydrochloric acid is secreted as food enters the stomach, turns to pH of stomach between 1 and 3 because of overeating of various reasons. Excess of HCl, hydrochloric acid, is released. The excess of HCl in the stomach causes indigestion, which produces pain and irritation. To cure indigestion, we can take bases called antacids. Antacids are a group of mild bases. Being basic in nature, they react with excess acids in the stomach and neutralize it. Common as antacids used for curing indigestion due to acidity are milk of magnesia, means magnesium oxide, and baking soda, etc. Children, let us discuss the importance of pH in tooth decay. When we eat food, the bacteria present in our mouth breaks down the sugar to form acids. The acid lowers the pH in the mouth, making it acidic. When the pH of mouth falls below 5.5, our tooth starts decaying. Tooth decay happens because the acid becomes strong enough to attack the enamel and corrode it. The best way to prevent tooth decay is to clean the mouth thoroughly after eating food. Many kinds of toothpaste containing bases to neutralize mouth acid means the pH of toothpaste being about 8.0. So we using toothpaste for cleaning the teeth can neutralize the excess of acid in the mouth. Children, let us discuss the plants and animals are sensitive to pH changes. Yes, most of the plants grow best when the pH of soil is close to 7. If the soil is too acidic, then it is treated with quicklime, means calcium oxide, slaked lime with calcium hydroxide, and chalk calcium carbonate. If the soil is too alkaline, then it can be reduced by adding manure or compost, which contains acidic materials. The pH also plays an important role in the survival of animals, including human beings. The aquatic animals can survive in water bodies within a narrow range of pH change. The high acidity of water bodies can kill aquatic animals. Calcium carbonate is often added to acidic lake water to neutralize the acid that comes from acid rain. Children, let us discuss the self-defense by animals and plants through chemical warfare. When a honeybee stings a person, it injects formic acid into the skin. By rubbing a mild baking soda neutralizes the acidic liquid injected by a bee sting. When a wasp stings, it injects a alkaline liquid into the skin, causing burning pain. By rubbing mild acid vinegar on the sting area gives relief. When a person touches the leaves of a nettle plant, the sting hair of a nettle leaves injects methanoic acid into the skin. It can be neutralized by rubbing baking soda or duck plant, which gives beside the nestle plant and is basic in nature. Lime juice to clean copper vessels. Children, a dull green colored forms on a copper vessels when it is exposed to damp air over an extended period of a time. Copper hydroxide and copper carbonate are combined to form this greenish layer, and the reaction is as follows. Because of these goods are basic in nature, acidic substances such as lemon or tamarind juice are required to clean them. These sour components are chosen for cleaning since they are good at cleaning copper vessels. Children, let us discuss the properties of acids, bases, and salts. The acid, bases, and salts affect chemistry as well as our day-to-day life. They can be easily identified by their taste, that it is acids taste sour and bases taste bitter, and salt themselves have salty taste. Acids are usually found in many substances including various food items, but their presence in many fruits is very prominent. For example, a part of this, there are some acids which are widely used in the laboratory like hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. Usually bases are found in household cleaners only to clean grease, form the window and the floors, and it also found in soaps, toothpaste, egg whites, dishwashing liquids, and household ammonia. Our body contains some very common acids in stomach like diluted hydrochloric acid, which causes food indigestion. When the contents of our stomach become too acidic, we usually get indigestion and a burning sensation in our stomach. Acids and bases are also regulate some metabolic activities in the human body through the process of equilibrium. B string are acidic in nature while the swap strings are alkaline in nature. All acids when react with metals generate hydrogen gas. Hydrogen is usually common to all acids. Thank you.